theory of nursing. This theory is something we need it in every aspect of nursing. It is the first and foremost, it is the base concept of the nursing and theory of the nursing. It was formulated by none other than Florence Nightingale. So let's begin from the brief history of the Florence Nightingale. She was born on 12 May 1820, which now is celebrated as the Nursing Day, that is 12th May. In 1845, she decides to become a nurse. Similarly, at 1854, she left for Crimea with 38 other women. In 1855, there was the establishment of the Nightingale Fund for the training of nurses, and 1856, Crimean War ends, and 1859, Notes on Nursing published in the United Kingdom. So basically, the Crimean War was the first and foremost important thing in the history of the nursing, which led Florence Nightingale to serve for the people and to have the evolution of the nursing. 1855, Notes on the Nursing published in the United Kingdom. At 1860, Nightingale's training school at St. Thomas Hospital opens on 9 July. Then she established the Nightingale's training school for the training of the various nurses. At 1865, the first trained nurse, Nightingale nurse, began work on 16th May at Liverpool Workhouse Infirmary. In 1907, awarded Order of Merit. She was awarded with the Order of Merit and she died on 13 August 1910. So this was the brief history about the Florence Nightingale. Now, introduction of the theorist. She was the founder of the modern nursing and still she is the founder of the modern nursing. Everything of the nursing is related to Florence Nightingale. She is also the first nursing theorist. She is also known as the lady with the lamp. As we all know, she used to handle a lamp and see the patients, call them, look forward for them. Therefore, she is known as the lady with the lamp. She explained her environmental theory in her famous book called Notes on Nursing, what it is and what it is not. So many people has misconceptions regarding nursing. So she explained these all in her environmental theory, whose name was Notes on Nursing, what it is and what it is not. She was the first to propose the nursing required specific education and training. Before Florence Nightingale, the people didn't believe that the nursing requires specific education, training, etc. They only have misconceptions regarding nursing. And also her contribution during the Crimean War is well known. As we all know, she was the only one who was determined to serve for the people suffered from the Crimean War. She was also an statistician. International Nurses Day, May 12, is observed in respect to her contribution to the nursing. So now beginning the assumption of the Nightingale's theory. The Nightingale's theory has some of the assumptions which is following listed in the slide, that is natural law. It is natural laws. Mankind can achieve perfection. Nursing is a calling, that is nursing is a calling. Someone calls you, it is termed as need. And nursing is an art and a science. It is also an art as well as science. You need to understand it, you need to create it, you need to relate it. So nursing is achieved through the environmental alteration. Nursing is not achieved by any other things like different kinds of dedications, different kinds of theories, different kinds of scientific action, but it can be achieved through the things that are available in the environment, locally available in the environment, but we need to alter them, then the nursing can be achieved. Also, nursing requires a specific educational base. Nursing is a profession serving to the mankind, but it definitely requires a specific educational base. Nursing is distinct and separate from the medicine. Medicine and nursing profession is different. Medicine deals with the diagnosis of disease, then after medicines, medical treatments, but nursing is something, it requires care. It gives you positive attitude towards the disease. It has a different various scope rather than the medicine. So Florence Nightingale's environmental theory, what it says is, Florence Nightingale, also known as the mother of the modern nursing, considered nursing to be a religious calling, to be fulfilled only by the woman. Her theory focused on the environment. These all are the assumptions and theories given by the Nightingale. However, now the terms, conditions, the attributes may have changed, but these are the things we are discussing that was propounded by Florence Nightingale. So according to her, nursing is a religious calling which could be fulfilled only by the woman. Her theory focused on the environment. Nursing is a non-curative practice in which the patient is put in the best possible condition for nature to act. According to her, nursing doesn't mean curing the patient. It is a non-curative practice in which patient is put into best possible conditions for the nature to act. The patient is put in different kinds of conditions regarding to the disease, regarding to the disability, and let the nature to act on them. She linked health with 5 environmental factors such as pure or fresh air, pure water, efficient drainage, cleanliness, light, and especially sunlight. These are the 5 factors which Florence Nightingale linked her environmental theory with the person. Deficiencies in these factors produce a lack of health or illness. Now, this kind of deficiency or alteration in these kind of factors may produce the lack of health or termed as illness. Similarly, there are different components of nursing theory. The nursing theory have been divided or subdivided into 5 components for the healthy environment. Firstly, proper ventilation for the air, aeration of the house, adequate light, sufficient warmth, control of effluvia, and control of the noise. These are the 5 components required for the healthy environment. Only the proper combination, the proper alteration of these factors leads to the properly a healthy environment, and which is very essential for the human life as well. So let's look this diagram. It consists of the 3 factors: physical environment, psychological environment, and social environment. So physical environment consists of cleanliness, ventilation, air, noise, water, bedding, drainage, diet. These are the physical environment. And the patient condition and nature depends upon these factors. Okay. Psychological, it includes communication, advice, and variety, whereas social environment includes mortality data and prevention of disease. These all are the factors affecting the human health and human life. So Nightingale theory and the 4 major concepts. Nightingale theory has 4 major concepts. First related with the human and nursing. So let's look at the diagram. First, in nursing. Nursing is associated with the society, environment, humans, or individual. Nursing acts on the humans and individual, but it also acts on the society and environment. And alteration in these kind of things leads to health or disease. It makes the person healthy or it makes the person suffering from the disease. So it is one of the major concept in Nightingale theory of nursing. Okay, the next is physical environment. As we all know now, it includes health of houses, ventilation, warming, light, noise, bed, bedding, cleanliness of the rooms and walls, personal cleanliness, nutrition, and taking of the food. Whereas psychological environment includes communication, proper way of communication. The communication helps you relieve from the grief, helps you share different kinds of views, thoughts. As we know, the humans are the social animals, so obviously they need proper communication. It is also one of the important part of the human life. Advice, a right advice can save a person's life. Likewise, a right advice can save a person from being unhealthy. And variety in environment. The environment is changeable. It changes from different time periods. So it also can be included in the psychological environment. Social environment. So social environment is something which consists of the society related things. Mortality data, especially generations of families lived and died in poverty, and prevention of disease by organizing hospitals and house clean with appropriate supplies. So how social environment affects health is that if we keep the mortality data, that is some generations of families may have died because of poverty, because of different kinds of heritable diseases. Likewise, different prevention of disease methods have been organized by the hospitals. So these all are the components included in the social environment. Next is 4 major concept. The 4 major concept, it is the continuation. Now it is time for nursing. We already have dealt with the physical environment, nursing, humans. Now it is for the nursing. Nursing ought to signify the proper use of fresh air, light, warmth, cleanliness, quiet and proper selection and administration of diet for the gaining vital power to the patient. So this paragraph especially focuses on the utilization and alteration of the environmental factors. That is, you should alter the physical factors of environment for the vital power of the patient, and also it includes administration of the diet, which is an important and essential factor. Next is nursing is different from the medicine, and the goal of nursing is to place the patient in the best possible condition for nature to act. According to Florence Nightingale, nursing is different from medicine, and nursing doesn't mean curing the patient. It simply means, or it has simply the goal of putting the patient in the best possible condition so that the nature can itself act and help the patient gain the stability. Nursing is the activities that promote health which occur in any caregiving situation. They can be done by anyone. Now she also says that nurses means the activities that promote health. Any kind of activities that promotes health of a patient is nursing, and it can be which can be given in any caregiving situation, in hospitals, in home care centers, in any situation, and this can be done by anyone. Now portion. Portion is also a very inevitable factor of nursing and Nightingale's theory of nursing. So Nightingale referred human as the patient. Human being is affected by the environment. As we know, human beings are generally affected by the environment or alteration of the environment. Human beings has vital reparative power to deal with the disease. Recovery is within patient's power as long as safe environment for recuperation exists. So this is to say that human has reparative power, that is recovery power to deal with the disease. So recovery is within patient's power as long as the patient is healthy, as long as the patient feels healthy, as long as the patient feels safe in the environment, she has the recovery power for recuperation. Next is health or disease. Health is defined as maintaining well-being by using person's power to the fullest extent. Disease is viewed as a reparative process instituted by the nature. Health is maintained by environmental factors to prevent the disease. So they are interrelated. Health means maintaining well-being by using the fullest extent, whereas disease is viewed as a reparative power, your extent, your fullness, which is instituted by the nature, and health is maintained by the environmental factors to prevent the disease. Similarly, environment. Physical environment is stressed by Nightingale, especially in ventilation, warmth, noise, light, and cleanliness. Poor or difficult environments lead to poor health and disease. As we know, disease and environmental factors are directly proportional to each other. The more there is alteration in environment, the more you are likely to have prone for the disease. Environment could be altered to improve the conditions so that the natural laws would allow healing to occur. So the main and important essential note to be taken from the Nightingale theory is environment could be altered to improve the condition so that the natural laws would allow healing to occur. Now application. Application is one of the very important aspect. That is to say, application is very essential if we know the theory, but if we don't know how to apply it, then it is of no use. Hence, we should know how to apply. So firstly, in application, it is a paragraph regarding a situation or giving scenario. I was on evening duty in a surgical unit. A patient was brought to surgical unit through casualty. Patient was Miss Sita with post-operative colostomy. Patient was operated for intestinal obstruction due to unknown etiology complained by mother-in-law and 3 children. Miss Sita was a widow. Her husband was killed in a war torn northern province of Afghanistan 3 years back. Patient was extremely pale with septic wound. Colostomy bag was not covered properly, rather it was covered by a plastic bag. Entire skin of abdomen was red and lacerated on examination. She was febrile with 103 °F temperature. Blood pressure was 100/70 and pulse was 96 per minute. Weight was 38 kg. Lab findings were hemoglobin 8.5 with moderately leukocytosis. During history taking, patient attendant told that they live in a small house. Patient room was also shared by 5 children, mother-in-law and 2 cattle. Patient economically poor, living on less than $1 per day. On previous medical history, there was intestinal infestation. They were used to drink water from nearby well, according to the patient attendant. So this is the scenario given by a condition, and we are going to apply the Nightingale's theory. So context: person Miss Sita is in need of nursing care through nature reparative process. My, as a nurse, goal is to promote nursing in the process with application of the Nightingale theory with nursing process model. So nursing diagnosis, one of the important factor in the nursing theory, in the nursing faculty, is nursing diagnosis. It is very much different from the medical diagnosis. So the diagnosis for this condition can be infection related to the contamination of the wound with the feces, impaired skin integrity related to the skin contamination with feces. These are the nursing diagnoses. Interventions. It is planned that Miss X, that is Sita, and her attendant will be fully educated regarding importance and methods of cleaning and drinking water. Proper disposal for the house excreta and source of social aid will be searched for financial support to Miss Sita in this connection. So these are the interventions. We should look the patient condition, assess the patient condition, then formulate the nursing diagnosis, and then interventions. Miss Sita was provided a side room in her unit. Her stoma was cleaned with antiseptics and colostomy bag was appropriately applied. The surrounding skin was washed with a saline and soothing anti-infective ointment was applied. A pad, gauze, put it to observe the flow of the feces, demonstration regarding stoma care and change of pack provided to patient. Room windows were kept open for ventilation. Prescribed medication were given. So in this paragraph, you can relate that the physical factors that Nightingale explained in her theory, these all are being altered now. Whatever was the previous condition, now it should be altered to help nature, help the patient heal on its own or improve its reparative process. Assessment. Okay, so the components that Nightingale theory has, we need to assess these components. So firstly, the component includes psychological environment. Miss Sita was very much anxious regarding her health and kids as she is a widow and have financial burden, as well as she is feeling little bit concerned due to non-national and therefore have limited approaches to local resources currently. So this is how she is psychologically affected. She has problem to adapt a new lifestyle with stoma and have difficulty in falling asleep due to the fear of opening back during the sleep time. So as she has now stoma, so she is having various problems in difficulty in sleep to adopt the new lifestyles as well as financial burdens. So these are the all factors that are contributing for her having psychological disturbance. For the psychological disturbance, we have different nursing diagnoses, that is anxiety related to the fear of isolation from native country and culture, as well as disturbed sleep pattern related to the fear of the state of the stoma. The next is nursing intervention for the psychological. Miss Sita was assured that she will soon adapt to society. Her special deserving case in financial trauma was forwarded to hospital administration for free treatment, and a non-government organization was contacted to help her in easing financial burden. So we must focus on solving the psychological problems that she is facing, which was financial burden. Next, environmental factors were evaluated to avoid disturbance in her sleep. Her visitors were informed regarding importance of rest and sleep in her recovery. They were counseled to minimize rush in sleeping hours and avoid unnecessary interruption in room environment of Miss Sita. The next is to avoid the disturbance, so she would have a sound sleep. Miss Sita was explained that her stoma bag will not open during sleep as it is closed mechanically. As we know previously, we knew that she was having tense, she was worried about stoma bag, so this will help her to sleep easily. Next is outcomes of care plan. Successful attainment of care outcomes achieved by application of Nightingale theory to nursing process of Miss Sita as patient verbalized adjustment to perceived or actual changes. Signs of improvement are evident on skin around stoma. Client demonstrate behavior regarding health promotion and prevention of skin breakdown complications. Weight is maintaining and demonstrate progression is weight gaining. Patient report increased feeling rested and sense of well-being. She also verbalizes better sleep and rest comparatively and less disturbance. So these are the outcome of cure plan. These are the outcomes of the nursing interventions we did on the patient, knowing the different kinds of nursing problems or the problems he was facing. Hence, we can apply nursing theory in this process, in this similar pattern. So conclusion. As a conclusion, we can note that Florence Nightingale provided a professional model for the nursing organization. She was the first to use a theoretical foundation to nursing. Her thoughts have influenced the nursing significantly. So ultimately, these are the conclusion regarding the nursing theory. So, however, whatever it may be the conditions, the nursing Nightingale's environmental theory of nursing is totally focused on the environment, on the physical factors of the environment and alterations of the factor that ultimately leads to create a healthy life. So thank you very much. This was all about the Nightingale's theory of nursing. We will meet on the next theory of nursing. If you like this, please like and subscribe the channel. Thank you very much.